Hello, everybody. Welcome to Empire Algorithmic Trading's weekly update for January 26, 2025. As always, we start with the S&P 500. A nice move on Tuesday into a green zone. A couple of good follow-throughs. A little bit of a stalling action on Friday indicates a pullback is due. Same thing on the NASDAQ Composite. A nice move into a green zone on Monday with the same stalling action on Friday indicating a pullback is due. Bonds seem to have found a floor. That yellow line there is the volume weighted average price. We're going to look for this to maintain above that. Hopefully bonds stabilize, providing a nice foundation for equities to move forward. Here is the IWM. This is our proxy for the small caps. As you can see, it is running to a little bit of resistance at the volume weighted average price. Small caps have been a little bit of dead money for the past 3 years, so the market can move. Just got to be selective on the cap size for your breakouts. Just recognize that small caps are probably going to have a little bit more of a difficulty than some of your larger cap stocks. Mid caps are trading above the volume weighted average price, but have not made any movement since. A little bit of stalling action there. We'll just see what happens with that as well. For the week, we had 26 stocks break above the volume weighted average price, 61% of which showed positive follow-throughs. Let's take a look at a couple of those. Oklo was a nice solid breakout. The green arrow there is when our clients were notified of the potential move, and we had back-to-back follow-throughs. Very nice. Same thing with NNE. Our clients were notified of the move on the green arrow day there, and then we had a breakout the following day with a follow-through. BTSG was notified. We notified clients last week, and it broke out on Monday and continued to follow through the rest of the week. Very exciting move there. TSSI, a nice significant uptrend there. Probably a little bit of profit taking going to be happening there after that reversal on Friday, but it was a good move. Same thing with Meta, a nice solid breakout from Meta, and Cisco Systems, a good solid breakout from Cisco Systems as well. However, not all is well in the neighborhood. Vista, a pretty significant failure there. If you happen to get in on that one, you're probably smart to get out now, take the small loss and move on to some successful breakouts. And NVIDIA, a solid rejection of its attempted breakout. Once again, trying to move into high ground and the market saying no. So it's a little bit of worrisome for NVIDIA holders. Hopefully we get a little bit more chop and get some shakeouts and get some sellers out of the way so the stock continue to move higher. All right, for this week, we are cautiously optimistic. Friday's action does indicate a pullback is on the horizon. If that happens, we expect to see some shakeouts of recent breakouts. Just remember to follow your stop losses. You never know when something's going to come back. Capital preservation is rule number one. Moving forward, we want to see continued momentum in recent breakouts. We want to see stocks continuing to be bid up and hitting all-time highs. And the new leaders that are coming behind them, we want to see some successful follow-throughs as well. If you would like to subscribe to our service, you can please visit us at patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading, or you can visit us at VWAPvision.com for more information. Thank you very much and happy trading.